Customer Testimonials, why Dirt2Tidy is the best choice. Welcome to the Dirt2Tidy channel. Today, we're sharing real testimonials from our happy customers. Let's hear what they have to say about their experiences with our cleaning services. Testimonials 1. Jared's BBQ Cleaning. Jarod from New South Wales says,
Great, clean, and customer service. I needed someone last minute to come to my house and clean my charcoal kettle grill. Booked online, they arrived the next morning. Bang on time, and the grill looks as good as new. Will definitely use again.
At Dirt2Tidy, we make sure to deliver prompt and efficient service every time. Testimonials 2. Mary's BBQ Clean. Mary shared,
He did an excellent job of our BBQ. Would recommend Dirt2Tidy.
Whether it's BBQ cleaning or any other service, we guarantee you'll be impressed with the quality of our work. Why choose Dirt2Tidy? At Dirt2Tidy, we don't just clean, we provide peace of mind. From BBQ cleaning to full house services, our professional team is dedicated to making your home spotless. Clean home with Dirt2Tidy professionals. Join the hundreds of satisfied customers. Call us 1300789178.